Are you looking for the best floor cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the best floor cleaners. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rejuvenate All Floors Cleaner. Ready-to-use formula, suitable for spray mop, floor cleaning machine, mop and bucket, or with the spray nozzle. Water-based formula is safe for homes with children and pets. Suitable for routine cleanings, tough dirt, grease, grime, and stains. Smaller quantity compared to similar floor cleaners available. Cumbersome to carry around a full bottle of mop spray while cleaning. Rejuvenate's popular floor cleaner comes in a non-concentrated, ready-to-use formula. No bucket is required, simply spray the cleaner directly on the floor and wipe it up with a microfiber mop. The neutral, pH-balanced formula is safe for regular cleaning of hardwood as well as most tile, vinyl, linoleum, and laminate wood flooring. It removes dust, tough dirt, grease, and grime without leaving a residue. During testing, this cleaner handled it all. It removed regular dirt, sticky soda, dried-on pasta, and a thick layer of mud from our hardwoods. One of our favorite features was the nozzle, which distributed a wide mist of cleaner with each spray, making it easy to cover our floors. The bottle dispensed enough product to clean messes but not so much that our floors were saturated, which was ideal. We also used Rejuvenate's All Floors Cleaner on luxury vinyl plank and ceramic tiles. It cleansed every surface we tried it on, picking up dirt and drying fast and streak-free. The scent was mild, making it a good choice for those who aren't fans of heavily fragranced products. The only con was that carrying around the full bottle while mopping felt a bit cumbersome. Number 2. Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Wasn't as effective on food and drink spills as other cleaners we tested. The Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner utilizes a water-based formula consisting of residue-free cleaning ingredients to keep hardwood floors looking their best. Compliant with the certification requirements of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's EPA Voluntary Safer Choice Program, the cleaning solution is safe for people, pets, and the environment. Apply the ready-to-use Bona floor cleaner with a spray bottle before wiping it up with a microfiber mop, or load a refillable cartridge into the reservoir of your spray mop. It is safe for unwaxed, unoiled, polyurethane-finished wood floors. We used Bona's hardwood floor cleaner on dusty bedroom floors, and it left them shiny and clean. The gentle formula lifted all regular dirt and left no residue behind. We also tested it on some tougher stains, including a sticky spot on the floor and dried-on pasta. Unfortunately, it took some serious scrubbing to get all the remnants of the sticky mess off the floor. While we think this is a good choice as an everyday floor cleaner, food-littered floors may benefit from a more potent product. We appreciated the 128-ounce economical bottle. Since wood floors only require damp mopping, the large refill jug provides enough cleaning solution for plenty of mopping sessions. The unscented formula is also ideal for sensitive noses. Number 3. Better Life Naturally Dirt-Destroying Floor Cleaner. Overuse leads to a sudsy floor, a little goes a long way. This floor cleaner from Better Life is made with 100% plant-derived cleaning agents, such as corn and coconut. It contains no VOCs, alkylphenol surfactants, or petroleum products. It safely cleans and restores a bright shine to hardwood, ceramic tile, stone, vinyl, laminate, bamboo, and other sealed flooring. At first use, we appreciated the Squirt bottle application. It made it easy to apply and allowed us to control the amount of mopping solution that hit our floors. The smell was also a big hit. The citrus mint scent was light and fresh and had no chemical smell since it's made from botanical ingredients. It was our favorite scent of all the floor cleaners we tried. We first used Better Life on our hardwoods, squirting it on and cleaning it with a damp microfiber mop. The cleaner lifted regular dirt and dried-on food, but we noticed that the floor would get sudsy if we used too much product. When this happened, we redampened our floor scrubber and glided it over the soapy spots. We also used it to clean luxury vinyl plank, ceramic tile, and linoleum. In every test we did, this cleaner dried streak and residue-free. Dirt-destroying clean, freshen up your floors from messes, toothpaste, pet drool, smudges, foot traffic, spills and more with this powerful tile and wood floor cleaner. Works on an all-purpose mopping solution that works on hardwood, tile, marble, laminate, vinyl, and other sealed floors for a brilliant shine without streaks or haze. Number 4. Quick Shine Multisurface Floor Cleaner. Poor bottle design can lead to sloppy application and cause product overuse. Vinyl plank flooring can be difficult to care for, especially when it receives a lot of foot traffic on a daily basis. If you struggle to keep your vinyl flooring clean, consider trying Quick Shine's Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. Offered in a 64-ounce bottle, this cleaner is plant-based, dirt-dissolving, streak-free, and ready to use right out of the box. We tested the Quick Shine Floor Cleaner on our luxury vinyl plank floors, giving them a thorough sweep and then applying the mopping solution straight from the bottle. The pour bottle wasn't our favorite applicator. The lack of a spray nozzle or squirt top made it hard to control the amount of solution we were dispensing. However, the cleaner did an excellent job removing stuck-on food, a sticky drink, and all the regular household dirt our LVP floors accumulate. We only had to make a few swipes with our damp microfiber mop to dislodge tough messes. This cleaner was named a Partner of the Year by the Safer Choice program, making it safe for the environment and ideal for homes with children and pets. Even though it's a gentle cleaner, it proved to be a powerhouse, passing all our cleaning tests. We also enjoyed the Clean Breeze Essence scent, which was reminiscent of baby powder. Easy to use, ready to use, simply squirt and spread formula also works perfectly with our Quick Shine spray mop and other floor cleaning machines. Premium Floor Care, Quick Shine floor cleaners offer premium dirt dissolving, plant-based cleaning plus the cleaning power of natural baking soda. Number 5. Method Squirt Mop Floor Cleaner. Expensive, high cost per ounce compared to similar floor cleaners. Overuse of product can cause a soapy buildup on the floor. Frequent sweeping can keep wood laminate flooring clean and scratch-free, but occasional damp mopping is needed to remove dirt and grime. Method's plant-derived Squirt Plus Mop Cleaner comes in a squirt top bottle that makes it easy to prevent floor oversaturation on delicate laminate. The gentle cleaning ingredients lift grime and give floors a shine, no rinsing required. This cleaner is also suitable for linoleum, vinyl, and tile floors. For our first tests, we cleaned regular buildup on our laminate floors, and this mopping solution worked well, leaving them clean and streak-free. The ginger yuzu scent was refreshing and filled the room as we mopped. We also used Method Floor Cleaner to tackle dried-on pasta sauce, mud, and dribbles of soda. The squirt bottle was ideal for adding extra mopping solution to break up these tougher messes. It took several swipes with our microfiber mop, but eventually, we got the job done, eliminating the food and mud. While we appreciated the plant-based ingredients, this product did have one downside: when we used too much, the mopping solution became soapy and streaky on the floor. We learned that a little of this product goes a long way.